morning, good morning, good morning. I'm here in my front yard, just pulling the weeds as you can see there. I've noticed there's plenty of small butterflies in there. And I'm thinking if I'm gonna pull it or not because I love the butterflies in the morning. Because here, of course, in my own front yard, I, it's very seldom that you can see small butterflies in it. And maybe I don't have to pull the weeds so that they can stay there. Because when you wake up in the morning, you get out of the house and you can see it. And they love flying in there. I show you, getting close to it. There you go. So amazes me. Maybe I don't have to pull it so that they will stay there. For all you know, no, you don't know. FYI, I'm in the city. I'm not in the province, but feels like a province. Look at it. Small ones, but love to see them just flying free, enjoying. Look, maybe I let it stay there. I don't have to pull the grass then, so that I can see them every day. Very inspiring. I love watching them. Yeah, it's very hot outside, but here where I sit, it's very cool because of the shade, and I have moringa leaves plants behind me. There, see? That's the moringa leaves, and then close to the fence. And I have the lemongrass there. Lemongrass, good for your health, and the moringa is good for your health as well. Feeling I'm in the province. I love it. That's all. Just want to share it with you all, guys. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.